Good.
All right, Nisha. Okay. Jack. Mia. Interesting. Let's see. I have a remote here, and I'm going to pause you for a second. Good job. Now, can you guys be a little bit louder? I'm going to turn up my volume. And go. Keep going. But now, my remote is going to slow everything down at the same volume. Good. Pause.
Does anybody have any laundry they want to do? No?
All right, and now the laundry machine is going a little bit crazy. Go really fast. All right, guys.
Yeah.
Good job.
Yay, Buggy.
That was awesome.